Alright guys, so we just got this jumper on the mail. This is a jumper with an air compressor. We basically got it from AUTOONE, and you can use it on your lawnmower, motorcycle, cars, SUV, pickup truck. As long as it's at 12 volts, you can use it. And the main things you're gonna use it for is a jump starter, air compressor, power bank if you want to charge your phone or electronics, and it comes with an LED light that also has a strobe light. So we're gonna put it to the test, guys. Stay tuned. Nice. So it comes with a little case. Pretty decent, I like it. It has some adapters for floaties, also for balls, and some other adapters for bikes. Alright, so here we have a quick guide. Tells you the details about the product. We have the hose for the tires, the clamps to put on the battery, and looks like this is a charger. This is a regular USB charger. So I'll just give you the details about the components. Here's here we can use it on the engine start, as a power bank. It has an LED light, the air compressor to inflate the car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle, and also for bolts. Something that I noticed here, the jump start only works for the 12-volt batteries, but it doesn't work for the 24-volt batteries. For like diesel trucks, this is not that strong for diesel trucks for 24 volts. So make sure you consider that when you're trying to buy something like this. So here's the actual jumper. Alright, so it looks like this is all digital. We have two lines on the battery, about 36 volts, about 36 psi. That's how much. We have a light, and also works as a strobe light in case your car breaks down. You can use that in an emergency. Here you can adjust the psi if you want to put more than 37 or lower. Here's where we connect the hose for the tires. That's how you turn the compressor. And here's to plug the adapter for the jump start. Here's where we have, if you want to charge your phone on the road, or if you go to like a bike trail, you can bring this to charge your phone. So we're gonna be doing some testing, guys. Right now I'm gonna put it on the tires so we can inflate some tires. I want to put it to 100% on the charge, so let's start with that first. Alright, so the charger, this is the charger. It's a C-type charger, and we're just gonna need a box. Alright, so we're gonna use this box, and we're just gonna go ahead and plug it. We're gonna give it a few hours. We just opened the package, so it's gonna be kind of weak right now. In the instructions it says that once it stops blinking, that means it's fully charged. So we're gonna give it a few hours and then we check back again. Okay, so this is fully charged. It took about 3 to 4 hours to completely be charged. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the test. Alright, so here's where we put the hose. And we're gonna go ahead and test it to the car right now. Alright, so this is the tire there. It's kinda low. You push it in and you just have to lock this in place. So you set it up here for a tire 36. We're at 21. Nice, pretty smooth. Goes back to 0. And here it has an M. You can basically choose the mode. That's for cars, motorcycle, bikes, and balls. Then go back to 36. I'm gonna do the other. Right, so another great use that we have for this pump, guys, it's if you go to the park or to a bike trail, you don't have to carry the pump with cables anymore. You don't need to find an outlet for or wait in your car to charge your pump. This is the old one that I used to use. Now we can easily use this one to put it on our tires. Okay. Alright, so this battery is literally -1 volt. The battery is completely dead. We're gonna go ahead and try to put the jumper and see if it starts if it has enough power to start this fan. Alright, so to start the process, we're gonna go ahead and plug this connection. The flat spot goes on this side. You can see a green light flashing here. We can see it's fully charged. It has the 4 lines in there. With the voltmeter, I want to check how much power I have here on this. Right there it shows 16 volts. Oh, sorry. Right there it shows 16 volts. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it to the battery and give it a try. Now that I plug it into the battery, let's see how much voltage shows. You can see right there, 16 volts. So we're gonna give it a try. We have a little LED light flashing. Let's see if it starts. It's an Astro van. Wow, guys, I can't believe it. This jumper literally has the cranking power to crank it
few times. Right now the issue, the van is not staying on, but listen to it. It has a cranking power. That's the main thing that we use this jumper.
Alright, so we can definitely see that you can crank it with this jumper. The van has an issue, it's not staying on, but I already cranked it like 3-4 times. This battery is completely dead, completely weak. It has just at least just one bolt, and this thing is still turn it on with no problems. So definitely this thing is pretty powerful. I definitely recommend it. Otra vez.
Alright guys, so definitely this thing is very powerful, this jumper. Right now the van is finally staying running. They had an issue with the fuel, but this jumper is doing the job.
Alright guys, so here we have another great use. For example, if you're gonna go camping, you can use this as a energy bank. You put your charger here, turning it on. We still have 3 bars after we went and jammed the Astro van. This thing is holding a lot of battery, so definitely still pretty good. You can see here we got it charging. Charging 5%, 79%, I'm sorry. Charging. So besides that, it also has the adapters here for the, let's say if you're gonna use a inflatable mattress camping, here it has the adapter for floaties. And right now we're gonna be using this one for to inflate one of the balls. Let's connect this. We need to go to the mode, car, pressure, motorcycle, bike, and APSIs, and you can see a ball picture right here. So let's plug this. Solid.
Alright guys, so we're done testing for today. If you want to see more videos with this product, stay tuned, subscribe, and we're gonna keep doing a lot more short videos putting this product to the test. So make sure you subscribe and you like this video.
Alright guys, so this is it for this video. If you guys have any questions regarding this specific jumper, let me know in the comments. I definitely recommend you to get it. If you're interested in getting one of these, I have a link on the description. You guys gonna have 50% discount on it, so go ahead and follow the link if you're trying to get one of these. I definitely recommend it. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.